Hi, my name is Ishita Kapoor. I am an international student ambassador. I'm from India, New Delhi, and I'm currently in my second year in BA Psychology Honours with Co-op. I think Brock has excellent student support, and I felt that even before I actually came to Brock. When I was applying, to study in Brock and in Canada, I actually was in constant touch with several people inside Brock, and this kind of support is something that I only saw at Brock. And on top of that, my academic counselor for psychology, she explained the credit system to me. She helped me pick my courses. I was a January intake, so things were a little harder for me than they were for other people. But she really just made it so easy. And I still go to her at the beginning of every semester to understand where I am in my degree and what I should be doing. Brock is also ranked the third highest in student satisfaction by Maclean's, and that's just an indication of how well you're going to adjust when you come here. Brock's Co-op program is one of the largest in Canada, and why that is so excellent is because for those of you who don't know what Co-op is that you get to basically, in a way, test drive the kind of career that you want after university, while also gathering experience while you're studying as a student. So what that does is that you get to experience and dip your feet in different careers, while also gathering really important job experience. So what that does is that when you graduate, you have a lot of experience on your resume and you have a very clear picture of what you want to do. Brock also has a lot of workshops. These are for several topics such as citations, essay writing, note-taking. These I've actually attended almost every one of them, and I found them extremely helpful, and it really helped me adjust into Canada and understand how I'm supposed to, study over here and, just maximize my academic potential over here.